Hello, you are welcome to Icidat Technology CBT computer-based test, and we'll be going through the demo of the users, that is the learners or the people that are taking the exams, or your students. Once again, Icidat CBT is a platform that have different functionalities involving question banks. You can create and add questions. Students can answer questions, select their choice and their categories, and also they can click to go back. They can view their results when they are done taking their exams. So here it is. I am currently logging in as a student or someone that is about to take an exam. So these are the categories available for the students. I've logged in. You can see John Doe, that's the name. You can select the kind of exam you want to write. Let me write a medical exam. These are the categories, and on this there are paid exams, there are free exams, there are exams for only people that are registered, the ones that are not registered. So this has 21 questions and available for 33 minutes. So far 101 people have used this or have answered this exam. So let's start. First, you read the general instruction, then the quiz instruction or the exam instruction, the general instruction of the entire platform, and this particular exam, how many questions you should answer, how many are compulsory. You take your time, you read. Time have not yet started. Alright, so now we can start. As a student, click at 3 minutes, remember. So it started counting immediately. So as we start, it started counting, and it's fully 100% being monitored. Every session, if you log out, you are out. So the security guard per session, and you cannot log in on the same session with different devices. One session keeps each is registered according to that device. Alright, so this exam have 25 questions. Remember earlier I said 25 questions and 33 minutes, and this is a question. These are options. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Alright, and chlorine, phosphorus, helium, bromine. You can click next if you don't want to answer this. You can click mark to review later. You can mark for an answer and next. You can click mark to review before you move on. You can stop the quiz. You can pick any question from here if you don't want to start from number 1. Right, you can just click number 10. Alright, it will take you to question number 10. Alright, so you can see question number 10. Alright, acetyl salicylic acid is commonly used as, this is actually a medical exam for scientists. Alright, fertilizer, painkiller, tear gas, sedative. Alright, I've no answered none. I've visited 2 questions but not answered. I've not visited 23 questions here. So your progress is being monitored, and you can choose just randomly question number 11. So you see I've answered one. Data dash bit equal 1 byte. Alright, 8 1000 to 1 million. Alright, so you can choose the 8, you can choose 1000. Alright, 1000 bits make 1 byte, 1000 bytes make however you want to do, or you just say 2. Alright, which is actually 2. You see when you move. Alright, and all of the following are example of storage devices except printers, floppy disks, hard disks, CD drives. So you see these are science courses, like I said earlier, right? Pick the right answer. Can be floppy disks, that is, if you don't know the right answer, you can just choose whatever you want. Mark to answer next, you save and you move, right? So the system keeps guard, and you can see the time is still ticking, right? So when you are done, you stop the quiz. If the time exceeds before the time before you, it will automatically submit for you. That is, when the time exceeds and you are still working, and when your time lapses, I mean to say, and you will just get logged out and to submit your work, and you will be logged out. So you can go previous, backward, next, mark for a review. Among the given nutrients, milk is a poor source of vitamin C, protein, calcium, carbohydrate. Alright, and we know is protein. So we save and we go next. Alright, so let me just stop here. So as you can see, we have visited 6 questions, answer 4, not answered 2, and 19 questions have not been visited yet. 0 question have been marked for review, and 0 question have been marked for answer. Alright, so we can stop. So are you sure your total attempt is 4? Right, 1 2 3 4. We have attempted 4 questions only. You want to submit? Yes. Alright, if you are done, because we have already set it at the back end to display the result. Alright, to display the result, and so it will show you the result. If you don't want them to see your result, to see their results after, it will not show here. So it will give you, as you can see, the bar chart of the student progress. Alright, so total questions 25, total attempt 4, correct answer 1, incorrect answer 3. Wow. I was just answering randomly though, and remember, based on, so as you can see, this acetylic acid is commonly used as, initially I picked tear gas, right? And the right answer is painkiller. So wrong. And here again, among the given nutrient, milk is a poor source of protein. I picked protein, and the right answer is vitamin C. Right? And all of the following are example of storage devices except printer is right. Alright, now this one, we all know that the answer is 8, but I picked 2 earlier. Alright, so this is the result. If the student they can print, alright, you can click here and print. So total attempt 4 questions over 25. Your score is 4%, which is fair because you determine what from the back end, or the admin will determine which score is pass. Time spent 5 minutes, or 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 56 seconds. So it's ready for deployment and usage. Thank you. From Icidat Technology Limited, Nigeria. You can contact us to set this up for your organization.